That's going to be hard over the fence. Let's work them this way. Work them at the van. Tyler's good there. Everyone else rotate around. Over here, yep. Tyler, you fall back over here. And then somebody wants to grab those cruisers. We're going to secure them in a car here. If you guys want to work on bringing them back and putting them in the cars here. How many we got? 3? This is 1509, right?
1660, I'm rotating over to her.
1760, be advised, the subjects are compliant. We've got 3 subjects here. 1 juvenile and 2 females. They're compliant. We're working on putting them in custody. We'll work through it, man. We'll let you know here in just a minute.
Compliant, 1 juvenile, 2 females.
Okay, she's fine. Everyone's okay. Everyone's okay. We're gonna explain it here. We're gonna listen, relax.
12 years, I know you.
Okay.
12 years old, you know me too.
Okay,
12
relax.
years old, my baby.
Relax.
12 years
Listen.
old, she's 12.
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Okay. You're okay. All right. You're not in any trouble. Just relax.
Come back to us!
Listen, ma'am, we're working through this.
No, fuck that shit. Yeah. You hear my fucking baby?
Okay. Listen, but you're making her upset. Come back here and talk to us, and we'll work through this. Come here. Listen to what the officer has to say.
Start walking towards us!
Tone it down. Tone it down. Ma'am. We got lethal. We're good. We're good. You're fine. Keep coming back. Come on back here. Flipper.
Turn around. Face that way and walk backwards. Okay.
Keep coming back. Keep backing up, ma'am. Pat, you take the house. Take the house. I got her.
Hands on top of your head.
We got kids in the. There's kids inside.
3 more steps back.
Yep. You're.
What is going on?
Okay. I'm gonna tell you here in just a minute, ma'am. All right. We're investigating. All right, 1760. We've got the 2 adult females and the juvenile in custody. There are a couple kids inside.
A couple of 5. What is
We're
going
working
on?
through it here to get some more intel. Hey, is that the juvenile? Is she handcuffed yet or not?
Yeah.
Unhandcuffed.
No, oh my God.
Okay, relax. Relax. Hey, go ahead.
My baby was going to this corner store.
Okay, ma'am.
He was walking
Listen.
to the fucking corner store.
Listen,
That
ma'am.
is my fucking baby. That is my baby. Y'all came to my house.
I
Why
know.
are y'all here?
I'm trying
You can't even tell me why you're here. Why are you here?
I'm trying to explain it, but I'm not going to scream over the top of you.
Why are you here?
We're investigating a crime. We have reason to believe that the person is either at this house or coming to this house, and so that's why we're here. Okay?
What person are you looking for?
I'll tell you here in just a minute. I don't have her name right now. All right, but
Is it a man or a female?
It's a female.
Ooh,
I'll let you know here in just a moment.
what the fuck is going on?
Okay, we're investigating a crime.
I
We
heard
had reason
you.
to
I heard
believe.
you.
Okay?
I am so at loss
All right.
that my baby was walking to the corner store. And now she's freaking out in the back of a cop car. Y'all not showing my daughter. She's 11 years
Yes,
old.
we calmed her.
She is not an adult.
Ma'am, you need to just calm down here. I realize this is a stressful situation. All right, she's not in handcuffs anymore. We're talking to her. Everything is okay. If you relax, she'll relax. Okay? I'm asking you just. We'll explain what's going on here in just a moment. Let's get her to the car, please.
Which car do you got?
Is this right or not?
That matches, yeah.
Oh, do we have a name or?
I just left.
If somebody, whose car is this? Can you talk to her, get her name, find out who else is inside? Okay.
Samantha, I don't know her last name.
White female, 1212.
crazy person here amping her up more. You just gotta just boil it down.
What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Whitney Hodges.
Where's Terry Manning at?
Terry?
Yeah.
I don't know who Terry Manning is. Terry?
Yeah.
With a T. I don't know that person.
Why? You have a fresh scratch on your eye?
Yeah.
Close your eyelids for me.
Yeah, I could tell you my blinds fell and hit me. My kids will tell you that. My blind fell from the window. The blind, it fell. I'll show you what blind is put up there.
Are there any?
Right.
Do we? Okay.
How much have you had to drink today?
I have a,
You lying about your name?
my name is Whitney Jane Hodges.
We need to show up or anything, or?
No, it's a different.